Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you guys how to make very delicious pizza sauce at home. Yes, so this is very simple and very easy to put together. You can make your own pizza at home with this delicious sauce. So guys, stay tuned, let's get started. Alright guys, in a little saucepan, I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and once the oil warms up, I'll go ahead and add half a teaspoon of garlic and half a teaspoon of ginger, and I'll stir up everything together. Then after that, I'll be adding chopped up onions. So I'm using the purple one. You can use the the white one or the yellow one. So once the onions has become a little bit translucent, I'm adding my homemade tomato sauce. You can buy from the store, but if you have the one you made at home, that's fine. And the tomato sauce I'm using is about 12 ounces can. Yes, so I'll be using the whole jar, and I'll go ahead as well. Once everything is out, I'll add in a little bit of water and rinse the jar and pour that inside the tomato sauce. Then to season this up, I will be adding half a teaspoon of chili powder, oregano, and also 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I will stir up everything together. Then I'll add half a teaspoon of sage. I will list out all the ingredients I'm using for the pizza sauce at the description section. And once everything has been properly combined, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of basil leaf. I'm using the dry one. If you have the fresh one, you can use that as well. Then I'll add half a teaspoon of salt. So once everything has been well combined together, so I'll go ahead and taste it to make sure I've gotten the perfect taste I'm looking for, and at this time I got it. So I'll be adding, just for extra flavor, half a tablespoon of butter. And at this point, it's time to turn the stove off. So once everything have melted, I will stir them up together. It's looking very nice, and look at the color, very shiny. Yes, so if you think the sauce is thick, you can go ahead and add extra water, but at this point I think the sauce is just perfect the way I want it to be. And we'll go ahead and get that out of the stove and put them in a pan or in a bowl. So guys, that's just it. This is just a very simple recipe on how you can make your own pizza sauce at home. Yes, and this pizza sauce tastes so amazing, so delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Yes guys, I hope to see you guys next time. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.